Now continuing on from where we left over in the CFA level 1, that is Introduction to Alternative Investment, we were discussing that point number 8, that it has limited historic data. Of course, in equity and fixed income market, you can make predictions by using this data. While in alternative investment, you have to be pretty sure about the latest market movements and there is little data available. In level 2, you will study on that how we can calculate NOI, that is net operating income, and then how we can calculate FFO or AFFO, and then how we can calculate some variables like P over FFO, P over AFFO. But in level 1, they is pretty simple. The another feature that is really important is unique tax and legal considerations. Its tax and legal considerations are different from those of equity and fixed income market. Now, what are the different categories and types of alternative investment? The first one is hedge funds. It is really important because later on we will be calculating and discussing about the hedge fees, how they calculate that fees that consist of management and incentive fees. Okay, hedge fund, what it is basically, it is a pool of investment portfolio using variety of long and short positions, using significant leverage generating absolute return instead of performance of broad market. So, even if the indices in the market are going up and down, the hedge funds always prove to be valuable asset and they always generate a good return. So that is the main reason that they use long and short positions using significant leverage, and so they generate absolute return rather than relative return. This is another important thing, that they generate absolute return, not relative return. Another category is private equity fund types, and these consist of what? First of all, it is not listed company, which may be a startup or established company, public listed company with the intention of becoming private. It includes LBO, that is leverage buyout, B venture capital. The third category is real estate investment. It could be directly or indirectly. Later on, we will be discussing about real estate, that what are these private limited or these are private companies or public companies. The fourth one, and it is the most important one as well, commodities like wheat, agriculture, metal, zinc or other precious metals. Recently, you must have heard that a commodities price slung after the China depression. So, you must be aware of these significant economic movements as well. Fifth one is other. It includes all tangible assets, but in commodities there are important features, and the important features are two most important, and these are, one is physical delivery and the other is storage cost. So that's it among the categories of alternative investment.